Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to sign your document on the signature application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should select the document that you want to sign. Then click on the sign button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Tap on this pencil button in the upper right corner. Select the tool with which you want to sign it and then select the color. And then you should sign it. If you want to use your eraser, tap on the fourth button or the fourth tool and you can erase it. You can also try out the other tools such as the highlighter, the pencil, and this pen too. You can use the eraser if you want to. And basically that's it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.